Empty moon.
Peking duck lang kasi gusto nila.
My party will take sun. Everyone else to moon. The initial class. Let's win the initial class.
In Morty we trust. Morty Parks.
Empty party with party after moon clear go up to spawn.
Okay.
Nandito si account for sale o nasa baba? Online.
South of moon?
Nasa
Account
moon.
for sale is south of moon.
Sa
Prepare
baba.
your oblivion.
Okay, si account for sale yan.
Tumatakbo si Manta. Manta, where you go?
Michikot.
Since nandyan si account for sale, dito tayo.
Again, account for sale is on the south of moon. Prepare your disable.
I will prepare my bet.
4 seconds.
Guys, we are green. We're not green. We're orange. We're orange.
Gogo. O, tabi ko si account for sale.
We're gonna take moon. Oh no. We lost. We lost the initial class. I dropped Obli on account for sale.
Count for sale still on moon.
Yeah, he's on me. He's on me. Oh shit.
Only person alive la.
Yeah, only person alive.
I can't damage his ward.
Guys, we cannot clear moon. We cannot clear moon.
No.
Star.
Can't.
Because they will be pushing to sun.
Star.
Hot to hit.
They have stronger members now.
I can't damage his ward.
They're still not pushing sun. Good. Keep them busy at moon.
Nandito sila sa star. Nagpo-push. Pati si account for sale.
Lock and star. Defend sun. Defend sun. Let PvP outside sun.
Account for sale.
Walk to sun. No.
Account for sale, star.
Start lock.
Kaya nga.
Push moon. Moon is open.
Moon is open.
Ready for account for sale coming into the right side.
Account on moon. But it's okay.
Account for sale is already on moon. It's okay if he wants to push moon. Or if he wants to defend moon, we already have both
keep him here.
Tablets.
At sakit pa rin talaga.
Star.
Move to star but don't go in yet. Don't go in yet.
One hit lang.
Go. Enter star. You can stop it.
Account on star.
We can't stop it. Regroup in moon spawn, please. Regroup in moon spawn.
He's too strong.
Guys, fight inside the tablet now. Let's push.
Try star heal, star. Star tayo, star. Nasa moon si account for sale.
We need guerrilla for account for sale.
Of war status. My God.
Guerrilla tactics for account for sale.
Let's make sure we always hold 2 tablets more for GL.
Players, can we try this? All people.
They're up by 100 points.
Can we try this? Most people go
Can
to moon.
Can you please call out where account for sale is?
Very strong.
Nasa gitna ng sun
ng
star tsaka
sun.
No, sun
ano
is
yung doc? Sorry.
May nagsasalas
Okay.
kay boss.
we occupied sun.
Hindi ko nakita.
Okay, star empty. About to unlock. On star.
Mamatay si Martin.
Okay, we have 2 tablets. Nice one. Moon is locked.
Akon for sale.
PvP outside of tablets only.
Akon
So
for
that we
sale
can
to
move
San.
quicker if
Akon
they,
for sale
if
to
they
San.
try to
Akon
push.
for sale to San. Akon
Is
for
account
sale
for
to
sale
San.
on Moon? Pushing Moon.
We're
If
holding
he
star.
is, let's push star.
Yeah. He's
Trade
to San.
towers only.
He's to San.
Nasa start kami.
Holding
Taking
star.
mo, no?
Okay lang. We're
Oo.
taking star.
Okay.
Di nila kaya.
Start
Isa lang
3
kaya
towers
nila.
lang. Account for sale is strong, but we are many. Let's take advantage of that.
Outnumbered. John
Ang
Lloyded
Sun, ang
star.
Sun.
The
Let's
other is
go
not-
to Sun.
the other
Wait
is
for change color. Prepare to enter.
28 minutes yung mobs. Oh, 28
Oh,
seconds.
Account for
Ako-
sale is on Sun. Go to
Nasa
Moon.
Sun, oh.
Moon.
Kuha ko
Nasa
ng
moon ako.
mobs.
Going.
Operate.
Ready for mobs? Trying to go to
Uy.
star mobs.
He's coming to Star. He's
Dito
coming to
kami.
Moon. He's coming to Moon.
Account for sale on Moon.
Okay.
Yeah, he's coming to Moon.
Okay.
Wala sila.
Mobs on star side secured. Let's all push Moon.
Players, we're going Sun.
Punta na ako
Always
sa
try
moon.
to drop Oblivion on account for sale.
Binuli si account for sale.
Power of friendship.
Power of
John
friendship, guys.
Lloyders.
Oh shit.
Power of John Lloyders.
Sun tablet is locked. All on Moon now.
Ako for sale ako po.
Diyan na siya. Diyan na siya.
Sakit
Sama na
ko.
siya.
2 hits lang ako.
Can someone please buy account for sale?
2 hits lang talaga. Di kaya.
Boss end. Pwede na yan.
We're up by
Mami,
200
mami.
right now. We're up by 200 right now.
Magkano
Umalis,
kaya yan?
umalis siya sa moon. Umalis siya sa moon.
Oh, malis
Yeah,
naman.
bye.
We're pushing star. Let's push Moon. Moon lock.
Moon lock yan.
Nakalak ko.
Online
Going star.
Star.
Di ba pwede ma-silent yung ano?
No, they're gonna lock.
Si account for sale?
Soul Cage is the only way to
Sun
silence
open Sun.
account for sale.
Moon open.
Yeah,
Sorry,
Soul
Moon
Cage,
open.
baby.
I'm
Okay.
taking Moon.
Taking one. Taking one.
Account for sale is here.
Takot nila.
Going Moon.
Diyan na siya.
Diyan na
Please,
siya.
Wait, ang dami.
Sige,
Uy,
malaki lang.
sayang.
Gagi, hindi umabot.
Sayang
Lock
ah.
it down. Okay, alright. No, we can fight.
Pwede. Hindi, naubos sila. Inaano ko yung
So
backline nila.
when you see him on one side,
Huwag nyo na lang pansinin sa account for sale.
you just need
Non-whales.
to tap on the
Let's
tablet.
limit shield for the whales. They locked in Moon. Go to star.
Basta lang. Equipment broken
Papunta
lang.
na siya sa star. Papunta na siya sa star.
Dito siya. Gago.
Account for
Nandiyan na
sale
si account
on
for
left
sale, ah.
side of star.
Moon
Gregory, if you can
Moon
hear
open.
me, just go near account for sale and Soul Cage.
Try to sit
Wala.
on the right side and kill
Wala
other
talaga.
people. Coming
Open
from the
moon, open
spawns.
moon.
One is open. Keep account for sale busy on star.
Going.
Yeah, we
Keeping
taking. I'm taking.
Watching.
Keeping busy.
I hear
Moon
it
taken.
on the guild
Moon
channel.
taken.
Who's watching Suits?
Nice.
Si Fire yun.
Ano
Tingnan
na?
yan.
Star.
Nice.
Go to star.
Aray ko.
Nasa moon si account for sale.
Okay, no.
Nasa mo na.
We're not gonna push star yet. We have Moon and Sun lock.
One hit.
They have star lock. Still within reach of OB, ah.
I'm lagging.
Moon mob still alive.
Oh, star. Open.
Star is
I'm on-
open.
Gagi,
I'm on
pinuntahan ako ni account for sale sa moon respawn. Hinaharang ko kasi yung mobs niya eh.
Star.
Nasa star na siya.
Nasa
Nasa star na siya.
Oh, nasa star na si account for sale.
Lock Sun and then go to Moon.
Moon.
Sun taken. Sun taken.
no.
Ayun, gago. Pinapaan.
Drop Obli on Moon. Nice one. Nice one. Nice push.
Alright. Stars gonna be locked.
Wiz, advance to the right. Advance to the right.
To the right
Open,
of.
open.
1 minute, Obi.
Save
Account
your
for sale,
Oblivion,
Moon.
ha. Save your Oblivion. Guys, we need to take
Shit.
OB. This is the only way we can win.
Summon na siya. Shit.
Preso Star, boss.
Account for
Boss
sale
Will,
on Moon.
Preso Star.
Move to Star.
Preso Star,
Move
boss.
to Star.
Account for sale on Moon.
Rob J.
Go to
Guildmaster
Star,
is
go get
already
Star,
on
go get
on OB spawn, like me.
It's like me, but with responsibility.
Like me, but with responsibilities. Cannot push Star.
It's push.
Dito
It's
siya.
push. It's push. It's okay.
Aray ko.
Calling you guys.
Going, pushing Moon.
Preso Star, boss po. Come on, fast.
Ready for OB spawn.
Obi na, Obi agad. Ayan,
Aray ko.
Obi.
Dito na siya.
Account for sale is here. MT, kunin mo yung OB MT.
gago yung try ko.
Oh, I died.
I died.
Oh,
Hindi ko
nice,
nakuha kaya.
nice, nice. We got it.
Sino kumuha? Hindi ako.
We got it.
Nakuha natin.
Nice,
Hindi ako.
nice.
Hindi ako.
Michi?
Michi. Katabi namin yung ano.
Nice, oh.
Michi killed OB.
Katabi namin yung Obi.
One.
Wiz party going, son.
Santa.
Okay. Account for sale. You can lower down your price now.
Wow.
Tell him.
Nasaan siya? Hindi.
Let's lock in Star and Sun.
Tell him.
Hey, got.
Star and Sun lock. I think we're good.
Oh, lock na yung dalawa.
Can farm
Sabay.
points.
Boss Poop, tell him what to do.
Account for sale is gonna be free if he keeps losing.
He's gonna sail for lower because he's not happy.
No, you need to top
Well
up
played,
more.
guys. Well played.
Account
Beautiful
for
push.
You need to top up
Account for
more.
discount now. Oy, Bubu, last na last to.
Sino
Lower the price.
Gago.
Lower the
Poo-poo,
price.
what the hell?
It's okay. It's okay. He's not with our server anyway.
Rachel, 190 kills, my god.
300 plus na.
Change name to account for discount.
Oh, 330.
330?
Yeah.
Guys, let's do clean up. Clean up.
He got
The account.
he got more when we went against him in Codex, like 400 plus.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful, my friend. Power of friendship defeated account for sale. Uy, si Tet, nagparamdam.
Ang
Nice.
sabi.
Wait, nakalagay lang. Hindi pala, Tet S, not Tet X.
Nice.
Account for sale, only one death.
GG.
356 kills.
Tanong
Grabe.
nakapatay.
2 kills, account for sale. I will give you weekly niya.
Inflate.
How will
Wow.
Inflation
If you have
kill.
proof.
Yung may laman yun, syempre may laman na eh.
Probably an FS or a performer with the reflect armor.
GG, well played to everyone.
Nola.
Power of friendship won over account for sale.